Hi, welcome to the Real Estate Market Watch. I'm Bob Gibbs. And today I wanted to give you kind of a brief discussion about what's going on in the market. In particular, I'm going to be talking more to the people considering selling their home right now in today's market. What we've seen over this year has been nothing short of phenomenal in terms of the market in general. We're basically going on uncharted waters here in the real estate market. I mean, with what's going on in the economy, home prices flying off the cliff and then starting to ratchet back up. The government being involved with programs and helping people with short sales and foreclosures, trying to keep them out of the short sales and foreclosures. All this stuff is extremely dynamic. And what it's caused is a market that's a little bit skittish. And so we've seen, as I mentioned, over the first part of this year, sales increase. We've seen a number of foreclosed properties decrease in the Alameda and Contra Costa County areas. We've seen the number of sales increase. We've seen prices go up dramatically in this area. And we are still seeing that. However, what I will say is over the last couple of months, we've seen a bit of a slowdown in terms of number of homes sold and in average days on market. We've seen that actually go up. And we've seen prices come down a little bit for medium home values if you look at Contra Costa and Alameda County as a whole. So what does that mean for you as a seller? Basically that means that there's still a lot of homes being sold right now. There are a lot of buyers out there looking to buy homes. The last 6 to 8 weeks we had quite a slowdown actually, and I attributed that to some extent, believe it or not, just a lot of people were just gone, or they took a break from looking at homes. They were tired. We were in the market the first part of the year where there was multiple offers on a lot of homes, and people that had maybe offered on 3 or 4 or 5 homes and didn't get them took a break. You know, maybe went on vacation, just said, I'm done, I'm going to wait till the market slows down a little bit. Well, as a result of that, and if you add into that the first-time home buyer tax credit going away and things of that nature, we're now starting to see the market pick up. It did slow down because of that stuff, and now it's starting to pick up again. And a lot of that has to do with interest rates being as low as they are. I mean, my God, 4.5% for a 30-year fix. I challenge anyone to come up with a time where they've seen that in the past. So we're chartering untendered waters here. So for a seller, here's my recommendation. First, align yourself with someone that you trust and you know is going to give you good information. Have them do a very detailed and specific market analysis for your home. So they shouldn't be pulling comps from homes that sold 6 months ago that are 2 miles away. It's got to be relative to your neighborhood and relative to the size of your home. Then look at those comps, look at the homes, and if you can get into some of the active homes that are on the market to take a look at the competition, that will help you greatly in deciding how to price your home. So pricing the home correctly is paramount. Be prepared to wait a little longer. The homes are selling now, if you look at the average between Alameda and Contra Costa County, you combine all those. 3 months ago we had about, average days on market were about 30 to 31 days. Now we're up to 39 days. So it's not a huge increase, but it's going in the other direction. And prices have actually come down a little bit over those last 3 months as well. So pricing is key. Being patient, making sure that your home looks good, because people going in there now, and whatever you have it priced at, they're looking at that as a starting point for the negotiation. So unless you have multiple offers coming in, you need to really consider that what your home looks like, that's the starting point. So people are going to come in and say, well, this doesn't look good, we need to replace that, take that off the price. So all that needs to be considered. To wrap all this up, make sure you align yourself with someone who's competent, that will give you straight, real information and not just kind of tell you what you want to hear. You need to be motivated. So if you're finding out that the home is actually worth a little bit less than you thought, you have to really decide whether or not you're going to sell or not. If you're going to sell, make it a business transaction. Try to take your personal thoughts about the home and as hard as this is, distance yourself from an emotional tie to the house and consider it a business decision. Price it correctly, have it look good, get it exposed on as many websites as you possibly can, and if you don't know what that means, always contact us and give us a call and we'll let you know exactly how you do that. And then be patient. The right buyer will come in if it's priced right, if it looks good, and if you have it marketed well. So that's it for today. As always, you could reach me at my cell phone, 925-984-3992, or on the website at www.therealestatemarketwatch.com. And as always, we're here to help you realize your real estate goals and dreams. Make it a great day. Bye.